Okay, say Happy Easter.
Happy Easter!
All right, go.
Where's your basket, Ash? Let's see your basket. Okay, come on. Happy Easter 2016. Easter egg hunt. Wow!
That one. I hope you don't find orange egg.
Wow!
Ooh, this one's about to open up.
Can you see with your mask? Want me to take your mask off so you don't have to? Because I don't want you to miss that on the way. It's going to be nice. I'll hold it for you. There you go. Wow. Good job.
I'm lucky because I got one with a design.
Yeah.
Ash, don't find all of them. I want to find some too.
There's plenty.
Any eggs here?
Don't show them where they are, baby, because we'll get it the second time.
That's not egg.
See if I know where they are.
Wow! Come on, Ash. Start looking.
I found 4 eggs.
Wow. Come on this way, guys. Come on this way.
I got another yellow.
Oh, good job. Okay, keep looking.
Purple.
Yellow. Okay, let's go through the house. Let's go through the game room. And up to the front.
I'm excited.
People that know me hear me use that expression all the time.
Oh, careful, careful. Keep looking.
This is a first.
You gotta go look around. There might be something out there.
A pink egg.
Keep looking. We're going.
Orange egg.
Babe, better get over here, Aaron. You're missing out. Hey, it's okay. Keep looking.
Keep looking.
Oh, now she's
There's a lot more. There's a lot more. There's a lot more. Ash, what's over here? Ash.
I found another purple one.
Ooh, Ash. And any more over here?
Orange.
Wow.
Finding lots of them.
Wow. Ash. Any more in the car? Oh my gosh. It's alright. You guys are going to share them at the end anyway. Okay, now let's go over this way, guys. Come on, Ash.
I
Don't worry. You got this stuff. I know.
Actually, can get down green one.
Oh, that's so nice of you, Ate.
Very nice, Ash. There you go. Okay, let's go over here, guys.
Can I get one this time?
It's you guys are gonna share them all. I'm gonna give you even the same amount at the very end anyway. So
Any eggs here?
anything back here? Hey, it's okay. Let Ash get the next one, okay?
Okay.
Yay!
Daddy,
Ooh, another one.
I can hear something.
Yeah, there's something in there for sure. Now let's go back through and make one more sweep. Did you get the gate, babe?
Yeah.
That's the gate there.
Because I want to get one this time. Oh.
There's still another one.
Another
Okay,
one.
there's one more. Gotta look everywhere.
On a horse?
There.
Where is it?
Where is it?
No,
It's alright.
It was my turn.
Well, let's see.
It's
let's see
alright,
if we
it's
got
alright.
them all. We might not have got them all. Let's just make sure.
Be sure.
Because once it rains on them. Let's see, do we get them all?
Close this door.
Let's just check out here one more time.
You stare out at him, he can walk up the mountain and challenge you. Well, turns out Hayward wasn't.
Cause I got the most.
Yeah, I think you guys got them all.
Yay!
Yay! Say happy.
Guys.
Say happy
Wave for the-
Easter.
Wave. Happy Easter.
Happy Easter.
Happy Easter 2016.